Wanted to take just a second to kind of review how to solve a two-step equation problem. And if you can see by this problem, it says k divided by negative 3 minus 11 equals negative 20. So in order to solve, we want to try to figure out what k is. And in order to do that, what we have to do is to try to get k divided by negative 3 all by itself. And to do that, we start with on the variable side and we get rid of this minus 11. And to do that, all we have to do is add 11. Now, if I add 11 on the left side, I have to add 11 on the right side as well. And so what happens here is k divided by negative 3, and then a negative 11 plus 11 is going to yield a 0. And then negative 20 plus 11 yields a negative 9. Now, the next step we need to do is get the k over negative 3 by itself, which we can do that because k divided by negative 3 minus 0 is just k over negative 3, and we're just going to bring around the negative 9. We want to get the k by itself. In order to get the k by itself, we just multiply both sides by negative 3. And then when I do that, the negative 3's cancel to yield k equals negative 3 times negative 9 is a positive 27. Now, I can always go back, and let me just kind of show you this. If I put 27 in for k, if I say 27 divided by negative 3 minus 11, does that equal negative 20? And then negative 27, or positive 27 minus, that's a negative 9 minus 11. Does that equal 20? Negative 20? And negative 9 minus negative 11 is negative 20, which equals negative 20, which means that we do have a good answer right here, that k equals positive 27. Now, if we look at the next question over here, we see that we have 7 times x plus 18 equals negative 24. Same thing. We want to start on the side where the variable is, and we want to get rid of the plus 18. And to do that, we subtract 18 from both sides. So that's going to yield 7x, and then 18, positive 18 minus 18, that's just going to yield a 0. And 7x plus 0 is just 7x. And then negative 24 minus 18 is negative 42. So negative 42 equals 7x. Now we need to get the x by itself, and we do the opposite of 7 times x, which is just divide by 7, to yield x is equal to negative 6. Now, we can go back and put this, once again, we can put this in the formula and say, does negative 24, does it equal 7 times negative 6 plus 18? And 7 times negative 6 is negative 42 plus 18. That yields a negative 24. So negative 24 equals a negative 24, which means that we have a good answer right here. Now, the third type that we might encounter, third type problem, looks like this. We have this term, b plus 4 divided by 7 equals a negative 3. Well, I've got to try to get this b plus 4 term by itself first. In order to do that, what I want to do is just multiply both sides first times 7. What that's going to do is cancel this out to yield b plus 4 equals negative 21. Positive 7 times negative 3 is a negative 21. Now I want to get the b by itself. In order to do that, we just subtract 4 from both sides to get b is equal to negative 25. And I would go ahead and prove my answer, or check my answer. Negative 25 plus 4 divided by 7, does it equal, question mark, negative 3? And negative 25 plus 4 is a negative 21 divided by 7, and that yields a negative 3. So this is a good answer. So hopefully this is just a review for everybody, but just in case you've forgotten, I just wanted to make this short video just as a reminder for everybody. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask and continue to check my website. Thank you.